Children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is fractions. Now here, exercise 4.7, first one. Alka is getting dressed to attend her friend's birthday party. She wants to tie a ribbon around her hair. Okay, Alka is getting dressed to attend her friend's birthday party. She wants to tie a ribbon around her hair. She has 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. So ribbon total measurement is 3 by 4 meter. She cut off 1/3 of it. What part of meter is cut off? For example, this is 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. Imagine that this is a 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. In that she cut 1/3 of it. 1/3 of it, for example, this is 1/3. Totally it have 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter total measurement. In that 1/3 of it she cut here. Okay, this is 1/3 means 1/3 of it she cut here. What part of the measurement cut off? So here we have to find the measurement of this from here to here ribbon. Now directly we can find the ribbon measurement is 3 by 4. Total measurement of ribbon is 3 by 4. In that 1/3 is cut off. So 3 cancel. Answer is 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4 meter. 1 by 4 meter. Next B1. Her friend's house is 200 meter away. She walks 2 by 5 of the distance and then picked up by a friend. How far did she walk? So her friend house is 250 meter. 250 meter away. She walks in 2 by 5th. She walks 2 by 5 of the distance. Till here she walks. And then picked up by a friend. How far did she walk? So distance, this distance we have to find. Okay. So here we can directly total distance is 200. In that 2 by 5th, 5 of 200 she walk. Okay, total distance 200. In that 2 by 5 of the distance she walk. So we can 200 into 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. 0. 4 into 2 is 80 meter. What is meter? No, kilometer or meter. 80 meter is the answer. This is the natural music of birds. Next C1. Alka is quite a fast walker. Her speed is 25 by 16 km per hour. For 1 hour. So 1 hour speed is 1 hour speed is how much? 25 by 16 km per hour. What distance in meter she can she walk in 1 by 5 an hour? So 1 hour speed is 25 by 16. So 1 by 5 hour, 1 by 5th. How much? Cross multiply means 1 by 5 into 25 by 16. So 1 by 5 into 25 by 16. Now we can cancel here. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So answer is 5 by 16 kilometer. 5 by 16 kilometer. Next D1. At the party, Alka found that only 5 by 6 of the cake was left. She ate 1 by 4 of it. What fraction of the full cake did she eat? So at the party, Alka found that only 5. So this is cake means total 6 pieces are there. In that 5 pieces are left. Total out of 6 pieces, 5 pieces left. Okay. 5 by 6 means total 6 pieces, and that 5 pieces are available. She ate 1/4 of it means total 5 by 6. In that 1 by 4 means multiplication. Equal 5 ones are 5, 6 4s are 24. 5 by 24 is the answer. Now even they all sat down to watch the television program for half an hour. Okay, advertisement took 1/10 of the time. So how many minutes was that? So how many minutes? So we have to convert 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore half hour means half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. We have to find in a minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half an hour equal to 30 minutes. Then half an hour, it took 1/10 of the time, means 30 into 1/10. 30 into 1/10. 10 ones are 10 threes are. Answer is 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now second question, that is the A, B, C, E part. Now second question. Two boys got a circus. If each ticket cost rupees 23/4, how much do they have to pay in all? Now here we know that 12 boys got a circus ticket. If each ticket cost is rupees 23/4, 23/4 is equal to, convert into improper fraction. So 2 is 80 plus 3 is 83/4. So in that it means then ticket, the more important point is ticket and rupees. Okay, if each ticket cost is, therefore one ticket cost is 23/4 means that is 83/4. How much do they have to pay in all? So how many members are there? 12 ticket we have to buy. One ticket cost is 83/4. For 12 ticket, how much means cross multiply 12 into 83/4. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. Now 83 into 4. 83 into 4 is 249 rupees. Now here third question, the cost of 1 kg sweets is rupees 51/2. So sweets cost 51/2, you convert into improper 2. 52 is 100 plus 1 is 101. When I start to explain, the birds also start. 101/2. So here cost of 1 kg sweet is this much. Okay, so what is the cost of 2.5 kg? 2.5 means how much? 2.5. 2 to the 4, 5. 5/2. The convert into improper fraction. So 5/2. Now the cost of 1 kg sweet. So important point here, kg and rupees. Cost of 1 kg sweet is 1 kg sweet. Cost is 50 and 50.5 means it means 101/2. What is the cost of 2.5 kg? 2.5 means it is 5/2. 5/2 kg, how much? Cross multiply. Cross multiply means 101/2 into 5/2. Now 101/2 into 5/2 is 101 into 2 is 505. 505/2 2s are 4. Now we can convert into mixed fraction. So answer is 4. 120 divided 504, 5 divided by 4. So we get 126 is a quotient and 1 is a remainder. Sorry, 126 by, so 126 1/4. What is this cost? No, rupees 126 1/4 kg. Now fourth question, a man walks 3/4 kilometer in 1 hour. How far does he go in 1.5 hours? A man walk 1 hour 3 by 4 kilometer. 3 by 4 means how much? First convert the values. Kilometer means 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 by 4. Then 1.5 hours. Convert this. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 hour. Okay. Now a man walks 3 by 4 kilometer 1 hour. So here main important point is hour and hours and kilometer. So 1 hour a man walks 3 by 4 kilometer means it is 15 by 4. Then how far does he go in 1.5 hours? 1.5 hours means 3 by 2 hours. This is our question mark. Then cross multiply. Now 15 by 4 into 15 by 4 into 3 by 2. Whether we can cancel? No. 15 3s are 45 by 5 4 2s are 8. Now, or okay, 45 by 8 or 8 5s are 40. We can convert into mixed fraction. 8 5s are 40. 5 is the answer. 45 by 8 or 5 by 8. Now fifth question, if 1 liter of petrol cost is rupees 71.5, what is the cost of 10 liter of petrol? So convert this 70.5. 2 sevens 14 means 140 plus 1 is 141. 141 by 2. Now write the 1 liter petrol cost. So petrol and rupees. This is a main important point in this question. So 1 liter petrol cost is rupees 70.5 means 100 is equal to 144 by 2 rupees. What is the cost of 10 liter? 10 liter question mark. So here cross multiply means 144 by 2 into this 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Now 141 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 4s are 20 means 0. 5 ones are 5. 6 7. 705 rupees. 705 rupees. Next is Mala, sixth question. Mala can swim 1 3 by 5 meter in 1 second. Mala can swim 1 3 by 5 meter in 1 second. What distance can she swim in 1 minute? So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So we can take 60 seconds and first convert this 1 3 by 5 meter is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 6 7 8. 8 by 5 meters. Then she swim in 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to. Now sixth question. Mala can swim 1 3 by 5 meter in 1 second. So what distance can she swim in 1 minute? So this is first, this unit is given in a second and here 1 minute. So we can convert, we have to convert any one unit in second or minute. So here 1 second is difficult to convert into minute. It come fraction form. So better convert minute into second. So time in second and swimming. So here Mala can swim 1 3 by 5 meter in 1 second. So 1 second she can swim 1 3 by 5 meter. 1 3 by 5 means it is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 meter. Now what distance can she swim in 1 minute? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, that we know the standard form. So 60 seconds, this is 1 second, is equal to how much? 60 seconds means how much? Now cross multiply 60 into 8 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96 meter. She can swim 96 meter. Now, seventh question. An aeroplane flies 800 km in 1 hour. So, here it's time and distance of kilometers. It completes the journey from Delhi to Hyderabad. So, from Delhi to Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad in 1 3/4 hours. 1 3/4 hours means it is 7/4. Convert the mixed fraction to improper, that is 7/4. What is the distance from Delhi to Hyderabad? So here an aeroplane flies 800 km in 1 hour. So here 1 hour aeroplane flies 800 km. So here it completes journey from Delhi to Hyderabad 1 3/4. So 1 3/4 hours means how much? 7/4. So instead of this we can write 7/4 hour question mark. Converted form improper, that is 1 3/4 means that is 7/4. 1 hour it took 800 km to cover 800 km, it took 1 hour. For 7/4 hours question mark. Now cross multiply 800 into 7/4 divided by 1. It is not necessary to write. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 0, 0. 200 into 7. 200 into 7 is 1400 kilometer. From Delhi to both are in kilometer, no? So 1400 kilometer. Exercise 4.13. The cost of 1/4 kg of sweet is 127 and half. What is the cost of 1 kg sweet? Cost of 1/4 kg of sweets is 127 1 and half. What is the cost of 1 kg sweets? Exercise 4.13. The cost of 1/4 kg sweets is rupees 127 and half. What is the cost of 1 kg sweets? So it is given in a mixed fraction. Let's convert 1/4 kg, that is 5/4 kg. Rupees 127 and half means that is 255/2. Now the main thing is here weight, kg, and it is in a weight and rupees. Kg, weight in a kg. The cost of 1.5 kg sweets is 1/4 kg sweet is how much? 127 and half. What is the cost of 1 kg sweet? So 1/4 kg means that is 5/4. So 5/4 kg sweet cost is how much? That is 127 and half. 127 and half means 255. Convert mixed into improper fraction, that is 255/2. 255/2. And what is the cost of 1 kg sweets? Question. Cross multiply. Cross multiply means 255/2 into 1 divided by 255/2 into 1 divided. So this is 1 divided by 5/4. So here 255/2 into 5/4 will become 4/5 because reciprocal. Both the fraction, numerator is also fraction, denominator also fraction. When both are fraction, write the numerator 255/2 and this the denominator become reciprocal 4/5. Leg will come up, head is down. Now simplify. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. 51 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. 51 into 2 is 102 rupees. 102 rupees. Cost is 102. Now second question. A man walks 5/8 kilometer. 5/8 kilometer in 1.5 hours. So convert this. 8 5s are 40 plus 5 is 45 kilometer. Converted form. Then 1.5 hours convert into improper. 1.5 hour is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 r. Convert the mixed fraction into improper first. Then a man walks 5 by 8 kilometer in hours. So it is the important point is distance kilometer and hours. So here we can write distance or kilometer and hours time. So 5 by 8 kilometers in how many hours? 1.5 hours. So 5 by 8 means that is a 45 by 8 in 1.5 means that is 3 by 2 hours. This is kilometer. What distance does he cover in 1 hour? So 1 hour question mark. Cross multiply means here we can say 45 by 8 into 1 divided by 45 by 8 into 1 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 45 by 8 into 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3 because mixed reciprocal fraction, numerator also fraction, denominator also fraction. So you have to write the numerator as it is, don't touch that. Then this will changes, numerator will become denominator, denominator become numerator. Now 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. 15 by 4. 15 by 4 means we can convert into, answer is 15 by 4 or 4 convert into 15 by 4 or 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 3 kilometer. This is the answer. Next, third question, 18 whole 42 2 by 3. So convert to 42 2 by 3. 42 2 by 3, convert that first. That is 3 2s are 6, 6, 3 3s are 9. So 6 is at 120. 6 128 by 3. Okay, liter. That is converted. 18. So it is here main thing is tin and liter means quantity in a liter. 18 hold 42 2 by 3 means 128 by 3 liter of oil. How many liter can one such tin? So 1 tin question mark. Cross multiply means 128 is 128 by 3 1 by 8. So here 128 by 3 into 8 by 8 means 8 by 1 is there. So 8 by 1 will become 1 by 8. Now 8 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 32. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. 16 by 3 or 3, 16 by or 3 5s are 15, 1. Answer is 1, 16 by 3 or liters, no? Taking one such liters. 16 by 3 or 1 5 1 by 3 liters. Now fourth question, the product of two number is 4. One of the number is 5 by 3. So convert what is 5. Simplify 5 1 by 3. That is 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Okay, 16 by 3. Now let A into B the two numbers. A into B. So therefore the product of two numbers is a into b equal 4. The product of product means multiply. After multiplying any two number, the answer is 4. So we don't know what is first number, second number. So a x into y, or we can say any number, we can let a into b are two numbers. The product of two numbers means a into b equal 4. A and b, we can say here, let a and b are the two numbers. Then the product of two number be a into b equal 4. That is mentioned in the question. One of the number is 5. So a equal 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3 means 16 by 3. Any one number. We can consider a or b. So 16, one number is 16 by 3 into b is equal to 4. 16 by 3 into b means that is 16b by 3 equal 4. 4 means 4 is there, by 1 is there, it means cross multiply means this is a b, okay. 16 into b into 1, 16b into 1, b into 1 is equal to 16b into 1 is 16b, 3 into 4. So b equal 3 4s are 12 by 16. b equal 12 by 16. B equal 12 by 16, we can here simplify here. 2 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, not 2 4s are, both 16, no, both will multiply. 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, not 3, 4 1s, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 3 by 4. Therefore b equal 3 by 4. Another number is 3 by 4. Now fifth question here, 5 2 by 3 kg. So convert 5 2 by 3, that is 3 5s are 15, 16 17 by 3 kg it become, are equally distributed among 17 children. What quantity of sweet does each child get? So here the important point is child and sweet in kg, sweet in kg. So here 522 by 3 kg sweets are equally distributed among 17 children. So 17 children get 17 by 3 kg of sweet. For 17 children, we have 17 by 3 kg of sweet. What quantity of sweet does each child? Each means for one child, how much? For 17 children, total sweet is 17 by 3 kg. For one child, how much? Cross multiply. Cross multiply means 17 by 3 into 1 by 70 equals 17 by 3 into, this is both are fractions, 17 by 1, it will become 1 by 17. So 17 cancel, answer is 1 by 3 kg. Now sixth question, if a bus travels 104 km in 1 by 4 hours, convert this. 4 3s are 12, 13 after that, okay. How far does it go in 1 hour? So here time and kilometer, distance. Time in hour, a bus travel 104 kilometer in 1 by 4 hour. 1 by 4 means that is 13 by 4 hour. That is 13 by 4 hour. How far does it go in 1 hour? So 1 hour, question mark. Okay, now cross multiply. Then it becomes 104 into 1 by 13 by 4. Now 104 into 1 is 104. into here 104 into 13 by 4 will become 14 by 3, 4 by 3. 104 into 1 become 104. This will become reciprocal. 13 by 4 will become 4 by 3. Okay, fraction, no? Now 104 and 4 by 3 means here 3 3s are 9. 9 means 1 carry. 1 carry means 14. No, so 104 into 4 is 416 by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 3s are, so 114 by 13 means answer is 32 kilometers. 416 by 13 is 32 kilometers. 13 ones are and 13 3s are and 6 to remainder, so 26 3s are. Now 7th question. Banu cut a 12 meter cloth into 3 by 4 meter pieces each. Means one piece is equal to 3 by 4 meter. One piece equal to 3 by 4 meter. How many pieces does she get? Banu cut 12 meter of cloth. Total quantity is 12 meter. So here 12 meter cloth and 3 by 4 meter in piece. Banu cut 12 meter cloth into 3 by 4 meter pieces. So here cloth pieces and cloth in meter. So here Banu cut 12 meter cloth into 3 by 4 meter pieces each. Each means of one piece is equal to 3 by 4. Now one piece is equal to 3 by 4 meter. For 12 meter, question mark. One pieces is equal to 3 by 4 for 12 meter, question mark. 1 into 12 is 12 by 3 by 4. 12 into 3 by 4 will become 12 into 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So 4 into 4 is 16 meters. 4 into 4 is 16 meters. So here Seema buy 2.5 kg sweets and out of that make packet weighing 1 by 4 kg each. How many packet does she make? So 2.5 kg means that is convert mixed fraction to improper. It become 5 by 2 kg. It become 5 by 2 kg and packet weighing 1 by 4 kg each. So one packet include 1 by 4 kg of sweet. One packet weight is 1 by 4 kg of sweet. So here 2.5 kg sweet means it is 2.5 means 5 by 2 kg. How much? So here 1 into 5 by 2 means 1 into 5 by 2 by 1 by 4 cross multiply. So 5 by 2 into 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1 reciprocal because both are fraction. Fraction division means the denominator become reciprocal. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 5 into 2 is 10 kg. So answer is 10 kg. Now 9th question. 2.5 kg is given here. 2.5 means okay, now need to convert. Yes, it is there to convert. 2.5 kg. Convert 2.5. That is 2. 2 twos are 4. 5 by 2. Anything else? No. 2.5 into 4 by 5 is 2. Write the 2 division fact corresponding to the multiplication fact. So this is a division fact corresponding to this is a board system. 2.5 into 2 will become 4 by 5. Okay, board system. 2.5 is equal to 2 is equal to, we get answer 4 by 5, that we have to check. So 2 division fact, no multiplication, same thing for division also. 2 divided by 2.5, we have to check. We get 4 by 5 only. We check that. 2 divided by 2.5 means that is 5 by 2. So 2 by 5 by 2 is the answer. So 2 into 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5 reciprocal. So answer is 4 by 5. Same na? 2 2 and half is equal to 2. We get 4 by 5. Same answer, 4 by 5. Next, the product of two number 3 and half. 3 and half means first convert 3 and half. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. The product of two number. So let first number be A, second number be B. Let first number be A and second number be B. So here first number is A, second number be B. The product of two number, therefore the product of two number is equal to A into B equal how much? 3 and half. The product of two number is 3 and half. 3 and half means that is 7 by 2. So we can write 7 by 2. One of the number is 7. Therefore A is equal to 7 means A is 7. 7 into B equal, product means multiplication. 7 into B equals 7 by 2. 7 into B means 7B is equal to 7 by 2. So here by 1 is there. Cross multiply means 7B into 2 equal 7. 7B into 2 equal B equal 7B into 2 equal 7. So B equal, we have to find the value of B. B equal, now here 7B into 2, 7 into B equals 7 by 2. 7 into B is 7B equals 7 by 2. So we have to find the value of B. So B equal 7 by 2 by 7. Okay, B 7B equals 7 by 2. So B equals 7 by 2. This what is equal to 7 by 2, and this is into will become division. Therefore B equal 7 by 2. It means 7 means it is a 7 by 1. So 7 by 2, 7 by 1 will become 1 by 7. 7 7 cancel. B equal 1 by 2. B value is 1 by 2.